You may not realize it, but some of the most basic skills you use every day could be the key to surviving when things go wrong. What if I told you that the everyday tasks you take for granted might just make you a prepper without even knowing it? Let's dive into the hidden prepper potential of skills you probably already have. Welcome to the Prepper's Path. Today we're exploring 5 ordinary skills you didn't know were prepper essentials. Stick around. You might be surprised by how prepared you already are. First up, cooking. It's not just about eating, it's about making the most of what you have. Preppers need to stretch limited resources, like forage or preserved foods, into hearty meals. Being resourceful in the kitchen could be a game changer in tough times. Next, gardening. You don't need a huge garden, just a few pots or balcony plants. Here's a twist. Herbs like basil and thyme aren't just for cooking. They have antibacterial properties too. Your small herb garden could serve both culinary and medicinal purposes. Third, sewing. It's not just for clothes. In a crisis, being able to repair gear, tents, or make carrying solutions could make the difference between survival and struggle. A needle and thread are valuable prepper tools. Fourth, navigation. With GPS, it's easy to get lost in the tech. But basic skills like reading a map and using a compass are crucial when technology fails. Knowing how to navigate without a screen can be a lifesaver. Finally, bartering and negotiation. Trading items is one thing, but negotiating for what you need is even more valuable. It's not just about goods. It's about securing what you can't easily buy with money, like supplies, food, and even services. And there you have it, 5 ordinary skills that could make all the difference in a survival situation. How many of these skills do you already have? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to build on these skills and become even more self-sufficient, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Keep honing those everyday skills and stay prepared, right here on the Prepper's Path.